English essay Noise pollution. Noise pollution. In the modern age of science and technology, human life has become fast paced and mechanical. While development has brought comfort and progress, it has also given rise to several problems, one of which is noise pollution. Unlike air or water pollution, noise is an invisible threat, yet it severely affects human health and the environment. Noise pollution refers to the excessive, unpleasant, or harmful sounds that disturb the balance of the environment. The main sources include the honking of vehicles, loudspeakers, industrial machines, construction activities, bursting of firecrackers, and even household appliances like mixers and televisions. Urban areas, in particular, suffer the most from this problem due to dense population and heavy traffic. Noise pollution has both immediate and long term effects. Prolonged exposure can cause hearing loss, headaches, stress, insomnia, and high blood pressure. It reduces concentration, lower work efficiency, and may even trigger aggressive behavior. Students find it difficult to study in noisy surroundings, and workers lose productivity in such environments. The impact of noise pollution is not limited to humans. Birds and animals are also disturbed. Loud sounds interfere with their natural communication and survival patterns. For example, continuous noise in oceans affects whales and dolphins, making it hard for them to navigate or find food. Controlling noise pollution requires collective efforts. Strict laws must be enforced to limit the use of loudspeakers, especially during late hours. Vehicles should be maintained to reduce noise from engines and horns. Industrial units must use soundproof systems. Planting trees along roadsides acts as a natural barrier to absorb sound. Most importantly, public awareness is essential to encourage people to avoid unnecessary noise. Noise pollution is often ignored because it cannot be seen, yet its consequences are deeply harmful. It disturbs peace of mind, damages health, and threatens the environment. A disciplined lifestyle coupled with effective government policies can reduce this problem. True development lies not just in technology and industry but also in creating a healthy, peaceful, and noise free environment. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.